G'day guys, I'm Mick the Camp Oven Cook and I'm here in Millmerran, which is a little town west of Toowoomba, about an hour. Now, every second year they put on one of the greatest festivals that's known to man when it comes to camp oven cooking, and that is the Australian Camp Oven Festival. The volunteers here go to so much effort to put this on, and it's definitely worth checking out. So let's go and take a look between those gates. The Australian Camp Oven Festival was the brainchild of outback icons Gary Fogarty and Ned Winter. What was started as a little friendly competition around the campfire in 1999 has now evolved to become one of rural Queensland's flagship tourism events. Alrighty, so I'm here with Michael Patch from Australian Camp Oven Experience. He's one of the masters of cooking in large camp ovens here at the festival. Does all the catering, is that right, Michael?
That's correct, yes.
Yeah. So how long have you been catering here at the festival?
Since 2004.
Yeah.
And that's, yes, we were in the competition in 2000.
Yep.
And that in 2002.
Yeah.
And then in 2004 we went to enter in that, and they asked us if we'd reconsider on that and come and actually cook for the public. So
yeah,
we did that, and we've been here cooking for the public ever since.
Yeah, and you do a fantastic job. I had a roast beef roll earlier and that was just delicious. So you've got a big collection of camp ovens. What's your largest?
The 36-inch is the largest we've got.
Yeah, I saw that and it's amazing. How big is it?
Well, it actually weighs 130 kilos.
Yep.
So there's 40 kilos in the lid and 90 kilos in the base. It holds 176 litres and feeds roughly 500, a bit over 500 people.
So it makes sure that everyone here at the festival is well fed. How many of those you got operation at the festival today?
3.
3? Yeah.
3
So
36s. Yes.
That's a hell of a lot of food.
That's for sure. Yes,
Yeah.
Yes. So we'll have cooked. Well, it's already cooked now. So from last night till today, we've already cooked over 1,000 kilos of meat alone without vegetables.
Geez, that's pretty good.
Yes.
That's a lot of effort.
That's a lot of food.
All right, I'll let you get back to cooking.
Good on you.
Anyway, guys, make sure you check out his tucker if you're here at the festival.
Thank you. Good on you.
The festival is held over 2 days on the first weekend of October every 2 years. With tickets costing as little as $45 per person for the 2 days, and with camping starting from $70, and with children under 17 free, it's an affordable weekend. So I'm here with Ben from Snowies. You guys are involved with the festival this year?
We are naming sponsors this year. We've got our stand here, so pretty excited to come along. We've even entered a chef in the camp oven cooking competition.
Oh yeah, I saw him over there before.
Yeah.
How did he go today?
Well, he's done his first bout, 3 first and a second, so he was pretty chuffed with that.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
you would be too. Hey, it's a lot of effort to do that. So when you do win, it's just perfect. Hey.
Well, he looked cool, calm and collected, but apparently under his skin he was a bit nervous. But I think after he got his rewards, he was pretty relaxed going into the second round. So we'll see how he goes.
Yeah. So what have you been doing here at the festival?
Well, Lauren and I here,
Yep.
as you know, from our podcast.
Yeah.
Just having a look around. We've filmed a bit of an interview or a couple of podcasts, and might have a chat to you and
Yeah.
maybe
Okay.
Kim
Definitely.
Brown a bit later
Can
on.
definitely organise that.
Selling stuff here, almost sold out of all our camp ovens here. At
Oh,
the
wow.
store. So,
Yep,
yeah, lots
definitely
of
a popular
stuff selling
thing,
through, so,
Especially when we're here at the Camp Oven Festival.
Absolutely. Next
Yeah.
year we need to bring more chairs though, because people want to buy the chairs that we're sitting around the campfire on. So pretty excited to be here. Yeah, it's a great event. Lots of people.
Yeah.
Lots of good food.
All right. Thanks for the
Guys
chat.
everywhere. Good on you, Mick.
No worries.
Take it easy.
While the core focus of the Camp Oven Festival is camp oven cooking demonstrations by experts and camp oven cooking competitions by a vast amount of teams, the festival also has a diverse range of heritage-inspired activities, damper throwing competitions, live music, market stalls, bush poetry, and more. After having a chat to Ben, I had to come and talk to Camron. Now, I believe you won some competitions today.
Yeah, it came first in 3 and second in one of them.
Yeah. What
Yeah.
sort of food was that for?
So the damper came second.
Yeah.
The mince pies, the shortbread, and the gingerbread came first.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
That's pretty good
Yeah,
effort,
yeah,
hey?
no, rat. Yeah, rat.
First time cooking at a festival?
Yep.
Never cooked like this before?
Nope, never.
Do you use camp ovens normally?
Nope.
No? No? So
No.
definitely throwing you in the deep end.
Honestly,
And
honestly, before this, the only thing I've done is practice at home.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and it's honest to God. Yeah.
So they've thrown you in the deep
Oh
end?
yeah, God, yeah. Yeah.
So did you get much practice beforehand?
Honestly, probably a month and a bit.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. Yeah, I sort of go home every Wednesday. We do a bit of filming, and then I go home in the afternoon and sort of practice a bit.
Yeah.
But that's it, really. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty good effort for
Yeah,
first
yeah,
time. Hey,
yeah,
you can
yeah,
put that on your belt and go,
yeah,
hey, check this out.
yeah. No, right,
What
mate.
I've achieved. So
Yeah, yeah,
anyway, thanks for the quick chat
yeah.
there.
No problem.
Really appreciate it.
No worries, mate.
No worries.
Awesome stuff.
If you fancy a feast of Camp Oven Tucker, you can purchase food from the festival's canteen. There's also food and drink from other vendors available and an abundance of market stalls to browse through. So what are you waiting for? Clear your calendars and plan your trip to the Australian Camp Oven Festival. For more information about the next festival, check out their website at www.acof.com.au.